Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Naveed Muhammad Pharmacology Lectures, Department of Pharmacy, Abdul Ali Khan University, Mardan, Pakistan. How the delocalization occur among the atoms of benzene. This is the structure of benzene. This is double bonded area, double bond, double bond. This is single bond, and single bond. Now, look here. This structure of benzene, the single bond area in benzene, the area of single bond. In this area, there is decreased electronic cloud. This area having less electronegativity characteristics, and this area having more electropositivity characteristic, and this area having sp3 like characteristic. One thing remember, all carbons in benzene, they are sp2 hybridized. How we can calculate the hybridized state? For this, there is a simple formula. Hybridized state is equal to number of single bonds minus a plus number of lone pairs. Now look here, this carbon having 1, 2, 3 single bonds, and plus this carbon having 0 lone pair. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Now 3 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. So this one is S, this one is X, Px, this one is Py, and 0 left Pz. 1 S and 2 Sp2. So all carbons in the benzene, they are sp2 hybridized. While this double bonded area, in this double bonded area, there is more electronic cloud. This area having more electronegativity characteristic, and this area having sp2 hybridized characteristic. Now, once there is more electronic cloud and there is less electronic cloud, the more electronic cloud will shift toward less electronic cloud. And once this more electronic cloud shift toward this